This is our CONQUEST S16. There is a castle. This is a TF castle, and it shares with the SIM card. There is a pin. Passing the port. The castle like this. You can install a TF card, or nano SIM card. There's an angle. Notice. Also like here. That's okay. You can notice no silo indication. Like this. Now let's test the right saw. This saw just can only install a SIM card. It is designed like this. The metro side. Like this. Passing the floor. Oh, sorry. This. No SIM card. You notice. About the setting, you can notice there's a second setting icon. There's a choice, level and internet. Choose this. There is a mobile phone level. Check. You can notice this mobile data. Open it, and this button can help you to use the 4G data. If you close it, you can use the 4G level. Notice. Yes. Now just 3G level. So if you want to use the 4G data, please open this button. And if you pass the SIM card, but you can leave the SIM card, maybe you close this option, close the SIM slot one, or if you install the SIM slot one, you open this. If you install the SIM slot 2, open this. That's all. Thank you.